Hi, this is my igloo. I'm a member. See? Mario 8 for 1. Oh, look, you wanna see how much stuff I got? Yeah. If you like to join, go to clubpenguin.com. I got too much stuff, right? I know. See, that's all. Check out my blog, Mario 8 for 1. If you want to see Pink, guy spelled her name. That Pink girl. Let's meet her. Oh, let's play with her. She wants her jump rope. No, she wants her thing. See? Right there. That must sound cool, yeah. It's cool. I want to see Pikachu. Pikachu's gonna be the director. Okay? Pikachu's gonna be the director. See? Action! Okay, thank you, Pikachu. Like Santa got me presents on December the 25th, but I ain't gonna open it yet. Just kidding. It's the 25th, guys. I'm opening it. Yay! That's cool. Woo! Guys, this is awesome. Look at Brad. Doesn't his house look sweet too? So I gotta see something, guys. Oh my God! I picked my hair makeup on. I picked my hair makeup on. That was just what I needed. Look, I just opened all my presents. Look, I get popcorn and a teddy bear, and a laptop. Isn't that sweet? Yeah. My laptop's sweet.
Why is it on Facebook?
Santa's here, but wait, what the? Is this Santa? Ooh.
Merry
You a spark. Oh. Hi, Santa. Hi, Santa. Good. I whip my hair back and forth. 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 What? Shut up. I got you presents. I know. No! I ain't gonna shut up, you know.
Hey, this guy likes me.
Yep. Okay, bye.